motor. Hello friends, we have launched a new Tesla project. You have seen our previous projects, but this is a whole new level. This time we will replace entire Tesla body with a body of another car. You might say nothing new. There are many companies that convert gas cars to electric vehicles, and you might be absolutely right. But there is a slight difference. We will show you a right way how to make an electric supercar for everyday use. How to make a dream EV that you not only show to your friends, but also enjoy driving every day. Every year when we take part of SEMA show, I see a lot of different car bodies with electric engines. But usually they are heavy, poorly controlled cars with terrible weight distribution and a very small range without the possibility of fast charging. Not to mention autopilot, application or updates. Let's take this legendary Mercedes E124. Clients who have spent $100,000 will never admit that they waste their money and destroy their beloved classic cars. Therefore, companies that remake all beautiful, expensive bodies into very bad electric cars continue to do so. Amazing, beautiful job performed by S-Club. They created true masterpiece in terms of exterior, interior, paint job and other. But there was another company that was responsible for a technical part, and this company made everything it is usually done. But anyway, clients often ask us to insert Tesla engine and battery into their cool cars, and it's so difficult to explain why a new body needs to be made of lightweight materials such as carbon fiber or fiberglass and then to be put on Tesla chassis. That's simple. Only in this way we will get a perfect weight distribution, excellent suspension, and the best technology from the world of electric vehicles, and will have a chance to retain supercharging, application and autopilot, of course. It can be any car body: Mustang, Camaro, Countach, Porsche, Ferrari, classic pickup truck with a huge front truck, you name it. You don't even have to own this car. All what we need, just couple hours with this car to scan whole body, and we will make whole lightweight body from scratch. In the next episode we will show what amazing car body we chose for our project and why. I will only mention that original of this car cost around $2 million. We will show the whole process of how we manufacture the body. So leave your comments below what car you think it is. And today finally I will show you what chassis we bought for our project and what we have already done so far. This is a Model 3. We bought it from an action hit in the back. The whole back end was crooked and did not stretch very much on the straightening machine. So we decided to replace it with a different back and from another Model 3. Yes, we often change quarters and rear parts, so if you need to fix your Tesla, just give us a call. The link is in the description box below. And if you want to remake your Tesla beyond recognition, also give us a call. Let's come back to our Model 3. The engine was humming and the engine fastening was broken, so we completely replaced it, and now our super high-tech chassis is waiting for a new exterior and interior. And I can't wait to see you in our next episode. So don't forget to subscribe and bye.